Dear friends, in this video, I am present with a topic, a very important topic of Indian world and geography. So, some basics and the question which are very important for competitive exams can be discussed in this video by some uh, tricks. Okay, so if you talk about Tropic of Capricorn, okay, 23.5 degrees south, 0 at 0 degree. Latitude, there is a line around earth, that is equator, but in southern hemisphere, after equator at 23.5 degree, there is a important uh, latitude, that is Tropic of Capricorn, which passes through basically three continents, that is South America, Africa and Australia. So the country Tropic of Capricorn passes through in South America, that are Paraguay, Chile, Argentina, and Brazil. And in African continents, the countries are Namibia, South Africa, Mozambique, Botswana, and Madagascar, and Australia. All continent passes through Tropic of Capricorn. Now, uh, country on equator. Okay, different countries which passes through equator, and there is three continents, that is South America, Africa and Asia. Also the region of Indonesia islands, group of islands. Okay, so the country passes through equator in South America, 5, 10, 8 and 9. Okay, so in serial wise we can see here, that is Maldives, Indonesia, Somalia, Sao Tome, Principe, Kiribati, Gabon, Republic of Congo, Colombia, Brazil, Ecuador, Uganda, Kenya, Democratic Republic of Congo. So these are the countries which passes through uh, equator. Okay, and the trick is मिस किरीबाटी ग्रे क्लियर करके ब्राजील से यूके चली गई. मिस किरीबती ग्रे क्लियर करके ब्राजील से यूके चली गई. Next one is the countries which are located on Tropic of Capricorn. That is Tropic of Capricorn passes through different countries, and the trick is बाबा ने प्रयागराज के मंदिर में नारियल चढ़ाया. So first countries is Botswana, okay, Australia, Brazil, Argentina, Paraguay, Madagascar, Mozambique, Namibia, Chile. So these are the countries which passes countries located on Tropic of Capricorn. Makar Rekha in Hindi. Trick to remember Tropic of Cancer on Indian state. Tropic of Tropic of Cancer, Kark Rekha in Hindi we called. 23.5 degree north from equator in northern hemisphere. The imaginary line, is called Tropic of Cancer, which passes through different states of India. Basically, 8th state, है ना? That is Rajasthan, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Tripura, Mizoram, West Bengal, Jharkhand, and Chhattisgarh. And the trick is Gujarati Raja made Chief Justice in the meeting. So Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh. First letter C, Chhattisgarh, Justice, Jharkhand, Tripura, Mizoram. If you talk about the extension of Indian subcontinent, uh, So it is from okay 68 degree 7 degree east longitude, extension from left to right, that is 68 degrees 7 minutes east longitude to 97 degrees 25 minute east longitude. And the total distance between the extreme points of west and east is that 200 sorry 2933 kilometers. And the extension of India from north to south, that is 37 degree and 60 minute north latitude. The point is called Indra Kol in Ladakh, situated in Ladakh, from to south 8 degree 4 minute north latitude, Kanyakumari, Tamil Nadu. And easternmost point is Kibithu, located in Arunachal Pradesh, and westernmost point Gujarat, that is Gohar Moti. Gohar Moti. So the extension from north to south, that is 3214 kilometers. But the extension of west to east is 2933 kilometers. After that, these are the states through which Tropic of Cancer passes in Indian subcontinent. That is Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, also Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura, Mizoram. Total eight states. States through standard meridian. Okay, standard time zone which are decided from this longitude, that is 82 degree and 30 minutes east. And Uttar Pradesh is passes through Mirzapur. Is passes through different four states, that is Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, and Andhra Pradesh. Total 5 states. Okay. So this line is known as IST, Indian Standard Time, also called Standard Meridian. A trick to remember IST, Indian Standard Line. Okay, that is 82 degree and 30 minutes east. So the trick is UP is in coma. U for UP, west of Mirzapur near Allahabad. C for Chhattisgarh. O for Odisha, coma. Okay, UP. After C, Chhattisgarh. O, Odisha. M, MP, Madhya Pradesh. A, Andhra Pradesh. So Indian Standard Time longitude 82 and 5, 82.5 degree east passes through 5 states, namely Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh. It is 5 hours 30 minutes ahead of Greenwich Mean Time (GMT). The longitude in London at Greenwich Place at 0 degree longitudes. The line is the longitude is called GMT, Greenwich Mean Time. So the IST is ahead of 5 hours and 30 minutes to Greenwich International Date Line. Okay. Second is Middle Himalaya, which is not continuous, just like Greater Himalaya, but it is almost continuous, not proper. Basically, it is discontinuous Himalayan range. And the third is Shivalik range, which is the lowermost range of Himalaya in the region of plains, UP, Bihar, Uttarakhand, uh, situated Shivalik range, many states of India. And the last one is Trans Himalaya, which is located in the region of Jammu Kashmir, Karakoram, Ladakh, Jaskar, and also Kailash ranges, which is in Tibet, and Purvanchal Hills in Arunachal Pradesh, Mizoram, and Tripura regions. So this is the basic idea of Himalayan mountain range, which are extended from west to east. and north to south. After that, so yes, this is the Himalayan range and major mountain peaks. We all know that the Mount Everest length is 8,848 meters, topmost peak of the world, highest peak of the world. Okay, Nanga Parvat, 8,126 meters. Makalu, Kanchenjunga, 8,598 meters. Namcha Barwa, easternmost peaks of Himalayan range. Namcha Barwa, 7,756 meters. Nanga Parvat is the westernmost point near the region of Pakistan, and the height is 8,126 meters. Hindukush Parvat in the northern region of India, and Kunlun Mountains also, Pamir Note. After that, in Tibetan region, there is a Tibetan Plateau and Shulman Range. It is the mountain base located in Pakistan. So these are the highest most peak of the Himalayan range. 10 highest Himalayan. So if you talk about the peaks, first number, that is Mount Everest, Nepal, located country Nepal. Height is 8,848 meters. Second one is Kanchenjunga, India, 8,598. Makalu, Nepal, 8,481. Dhaulagiri, Nepal, 8,172. Nanga Parvat, India, 8,126. Annapurna, Nepal, 8,078. Nanda Devi, India, Kamet, India, Namcha Barwa, India, Gurla, Mandata, Nepal. So these are the highest peak of the Himalayan range. So also if you talk about the highway in India, so there is a basically major highways, but from which there is a highway which connects from Delhi to Mumbai and Mumbai to Chennai and Chennai to West Bengal, Kolkata. So these highway forms just like a quadrilateral Chaturbhuj, which have four sides, okay, and two diagonals. If you talk about pink and blue region, these are the diagonal which directly related from Delhi to Chennai, Madras. Delhi to uh, Mumbai to Chennai, okay, green, and Mumbai to Howrah, Kolkata, that is blue in line, dark blue. So Delhi to southern region, this will be, I think, this region will be uh, Madras. Yes, Madras. Mumbai, Chennai, and Madras. Howrah Channel from Madras to Kolkata, Mumbai, Howrah. Okay. Length is given Delhi Channel, that is which connects Delhi to Madras. You know? Length is 2,100 to 182 kilometers. Mumbai connect with Kolkata, 1284 kilometers. Major stations Pune, uh, Raichur. These are the major stations. Okay. So this is all about Swadhyam Chaturbhuj, Golden Quadrilateral. Okay, the highway which connects to Delhi to Mumbai and Mumbai to Madras, Chennai, and Chennai to Mumbai, Howrah, that is in Kolkata region, and Kolkata to again Delhi. So these quadrilateral forms. So these highway in the form of quadrilateral called Golden Quadrilateral. Okay, Swadhyam Chaturbhuj in Hindi we called. After that, uh, many highways just like GT road, Grand Trunk road, which are made by Sher Shah Suri about 1540 AD. So the this GT road which connects Kabul to Kolkata, also a part of Golden Quadrilateral, that is Delhi to Kolkata. In the previous slide, we have seen that the arm one side of Golden Quadrilateral, that is Delhi to Kolkata. So the GT road is also known as sometimes National Highway 1 in the region of J&K and Punjab region. Okay, so basically Golden Quadrilateral is a part of GT road, that is Grand Trunk Road. IMT Trilateral Highway which connects India, Myanmar and Thailand. India, Myanmar and Thailand. Different uh, spaces situated on this road, that is More, Tamu, Mandalay. Different name just like Chinese name Napiatao, Bago, Yangon, and Maiwadi Ma short in Thailand. So these are the points on IMT Trilateral Highway which connects to India, Myanmar and Thailand, named IMT. The same highway we have seen in previous slide, that is New Delhi, Bangkok, Thailand, and Bhutan, also Manipur, Myanmar. So these three countries connected with the IMT uh, trilateral highway. Myanmar, Thailand, and India. IMT means what? I for India, M for Myanmar, and T for Thailand. So these highway named IMT highway. Same highway, okay, not. This is not the same. BCIM Economic Corridor, route of BCIM Economic Corridor, which connects three or four countries: India, Bangladesh, Myanmar, and China. So this is named as BCIM. B for Bangladesh, C for China, I for India, and M for Myanmar. IMT we have seen previous, that is no. This is the BCIM, Bangladesh, China, India, and Myanmar. BCIM locations, points, places situated on this highway shown in the map. If you talk about Indian river system, so this is divided into basically three river system, that is Brahmaputra, three or fourth. Okay, in northern region there is a three system, that is Brahmaputra river system, second is Ganga river system, and third is Indus river system. So these three major rivers originated from the Greater Himalaya in the region of Kailash ranges. So the Brahmaputra originated from a place which is called Chemayungdung Glacier, located in Tibet. And after covering about 3,000 kilometers, it takes U-turns. In total length is 2931, just like 3,000 kilometer. Okay, which passes from the region of Tibet, Arunachal Pradesh, and Bangladesh. Indian river system also included Ganga river system, the largest river basin of India, northern India and southern India also. Indus River also originated in Kailash range, uh, Kailash mountain range, okay, and same Ganga, Gangotri glacier in the range of Kailash also. Those three rivers almost same location on Greater Himalaya. So Indus River system, the tributary Sahayak Nadiyan of Indus rivers. Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Byas, Satluj are the tributaries of Indus. Also Syok and Jaskar river. Gilgit also in right hand tributary Gilgit and Syok. In left hand tributary Jaskar, Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Byas, Satluj. If you talk about tributaries of Ganga, that is in left hand tributary Ramganga, Gomti, Ghagra, Rapti, Gandak, Kosi. These are the and Padma also. These are the left bank tributary, and the right bank tributaries are Yamuna, Son, Damodar, Kool. These are the river which joins from right hands. Also, Yamuna is the largest river. Okay, it also forms many tributaries, uh, just like Ken, Betwa, Sindh, and Chambal. These are the tributary of Ganga, and the tributary of Brahmaputra river are Dibang, Lohit, Dhanashri, Kopli, Sumna, Meghna, and right hand tributary are Sumansri, Manas, and Dubri, Tista. These are the tributary of Brahmaputra river. Ganga river system. We have talked in previous video. That is the river. It is the longest river of India. Major portion of Ganga river in India. Some portion also in Bangladesh. But total length of Ganga river is 2525 kilometers. That means 2525 kilometers. These have the tributary from left, that is Gomti, Ghagra, Gandak, Koshi, and from right Yamuna, Hooghly, um, Son, Damodar. These are the tributary of right bank tributary of Ganga river. Origination of Ganga river from different places. So the origination from Gangotri name is Bhagirathi. Tehri Dam located on Bhilangna river and which joins to Bhagirathi at the place uh, at which Tehri Dam is located. Kedarnath Mandakini river originated, and from Badrinath Alaknanda is originated, shown in red color, which many rivers join to Alaknanda, that is Dhauliganga at first point. This point is called Vishnu Prayag. Same river Alaknanda, another river Nandakini joins at the point located at 2, that is Nand Prayag. At point 3, Pindar river also joins Alaknanda, and this place is called Karan Prayag. And second is Nand Prayag. First one is Vishnu Prayag. And fourth point at which Alaknanda Mandakini river join Alaknanda, and the point is known as Rudra Prayag. Now at the point 5, Dev Prayag, the Bhagirathi river. Originally this is the Bhagirathi, it is the original origination of Ganga river. That is the original river of Ganga is Bhagirathi, which are originated from Gangotri glaciers, which joins Alaknanda at the point which called Devprayag. Rishi, Kesh and Haridwar also located on the Ganga river, which is the combination of Alaknanda and Bhagirathi river. So these are the same rivers shown in next image for better understanding. That is Bhagirathi, Mandakini, Alaknanda, Gangotri, Kedarnath and Badrinath. First is Vishnu Prayag, second is Nand Prayag, third is Karn Prayag, fourth Rudra Prayag, and fifth is Dev Prayag. When Dhauliganga joins Alaknanda, the point is known as Vishnu Prayag. When Nandakini river joins Alaknanda, the point is known as Nand Prayag. When the Pindar Ganga joins the same river Alaknanda, the third point is called Karn Prayag. And the second last is Rudra Prayag, when Alaknanda joined with Mandakini river. When Bhagirathi and Alaknanda meets, the point is known as Dev Prayag. Basically, in Uttarakhand region, Ganga and its tributary we have seen in previous slide. All the same rivers shown in different images for better understanding. Same river Ganga. Okay. Now, if we come to Indus River, which is the major river, one of the major river of northern India, which is originated from the Kailash range in Tibet near Mansarovar Lake. So, major tributary of Indus River are Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Byas, Satluj from left bank, and from right bank Sharda, uh, Sayok, Gilgit, and Swat. These are the river which joins to Jhelum from right bank. So these are the right bank tributaries. These are the southern rivers. Okay. Basically, Krishna River, Bhima River, Nagarjun Sagar Dam on Krishna River, Sri Salam Dam on Krishna River, Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh region. Okay, so this is the representation of Krishna River, which is the main river of southern India also. But Godavari and Narmada are the first, and Krishna is the second largest river. The length is 1400 kilometer, but the Godavari river is the largest one. Its length is 1465 kilometers. Kanwar Lake, located in Bihar, forming meanders. So these are the lake in different places in India. Wular Lake in Jammu Kashmir, Dal Lake, Pangong Lake, Loktak Lake in eastern region, Kanwar Lake in region of Bihar. It would be on Ganga River or Son River. It could be Shambar Lake, Bojal Lake, Lonar Lake. So these are the important lakes in India.